Why do gymnasts look more sculpted than most lifters, even without heavy weights? Seriously. Look at their bodies. Thick chest, rounded shoulders, dense triceps. That compact, powerful look that stands out instantly. Now here's the part nobody talks about. It's not because they're doing more exercises. It's because they've mastered one. Dips. And if your workouts feel stuck right now, if you've been training but your upper body still looks flat instead of full, this might be the missing piece. Because dips don't just build muscle, they change how your muscle looks. But there's one mistake almost everyone makes with them, and it completely kills the results. I'll come back to that. First, you need to understand why dips hit differently. Most pushing exercises keep your arms in front of your body. Bench press, push-ups, machines. Dips don't. Your arms move behind you. That puts your chest and shoulders into a deep loaded stretch, the exact position most people avoid because it feels uncomfortable. But here's the truth. That stretch is where growth is triggered the most, and dips force you into it every single rep. Now think about this. Where is a dip hardest? At the bottom. Not the top, not the middle, the bottom, where your muscles are weakest. That's not random. That's what makes it powerful. Because instead of spreading effort evenly, dips concentrate stress exactly where growth happens. And over time, that changes your physique in a very specific way. Not just bigger, denser, thicker, more complete. This is something most fitness channels never explain. They'll tell you exercises. They won't tell you why certain physiques look different. Now here's the question. If dips are this effective, why don't most people get results from them? This is where things get interesting. Because it's not the exercise, it's how people train it. I remember a phase where I was doing dips at the end of my workouts, already tired just trying to feel the burn. And nothing changed. Same reps, same body, no real transformation. Then I made one shift. I treated dips like a priority, not a finisher. That changed everything. So if you're serious about transforming your upper body, listen closely. First, form. Not overcomplicated, just intentional. At the top, don't stay perfectly upright. Lean slightly forward like you're trying to bring your chest toward the bars. That small shift activates your chest way more. Then lower yourself under control. Not fast, not sloppy. Control the descent. Because what you're about to realize is this. The way down matters more than the way up. Most people rush it, and they lose the entire benefit. At the bottom, hit about a 90-degree angle. Don't cut it short. Don't bounce. Own that position. Then push up and fully lock out. That last inch, that's where your triceps get that dense, carved look. But here's the mistake I mentioned earlier. People think doing dips is enough. It's not. Progression is everything. If your dips look the same every week, your body has no reason to change. And this is where most people plateau. So how do you fix it? Two paths. Weighted and tempo. If you can hit 15 to 20 clean reps, bodyweight alone won't cut it anymore. Add weight. Even a small plate changes everything. Now your muscles are forced to adapt again. Strength increases. Density increases. But if you don't have weights, that's not an excuse. Because tempo can be just as brutal. Slow down your reps, especially on the way down. 3-4 seconds. Controlled descent. Now you're increasing time under tension exactly where it matters most. And suddenly, the same exercise feels completely different. But there's another layer most people ignore. Frequency. You don't build a powerful upper body doing dips once a week. That's maintenance, not transformation. Twice a week is where things start to change. One day heavy, low reps, high intensity. The other day, higher reps. Chasing control, burn, tension. That combination is what builds that sculpted look. Strength plus endurance, power plus control. That's how athletes train, and that's why they look different. But let me ask you something. What happens if you only train pushing? You get thickness, but no shape, no width, no presence. That's why dips alone aren't enough. You need the balance. Pull-ups, because dips build the armor. Pull-ups build the frame. They widen your back, create that V-taper, and make your entire upper body look bigger. If you've been skipping them, that's exactly why your physique feels incomplete. So here's the reality. You don't need more exercises. You need better focus. Master dips. Progress them. Train them with intent. Balance them with pull-ups. And stay consistent. Because discipline separates those who transform from those who stay average. No shortcuts. No hacks. Just execution. And if you commit to that, give it 60 days, your upper body won't just grow. It will look different. Stronger. Sharper. Unmistakable.